going to concert. Oh. Summer concert.
Was it here, Daddy, on the side?
On the side? Go. This one. Near the window.
You go near the window?
We'll see about. Let's see it.
It's our last day in Melbourne. So I mean last day because we're leaving. Our flight is at 3 in the afternoon, guys. So we still have the whole morning to ourselves. So dito sa hotel na nastihan namin, it's free breakfast. So we're gonna have breakfast. Daddy's getting coffee from there. Hey my love! It looks so nice outside, guys. This is what I love about Melbourne. They're old buildings. It just looks amazing. Can you imagine how old these buildings are? Korea. It's very nice. That looks good. They want milk.
Milk.
Water.
I like your chocolate.
Okay, thanks, Daddy. Thank you.
Welcome. This one is hot. This is warm.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Cornflakes. Do you want to do it yourself?
I can't reach. Kids.
See. Is that enough? Hang on, here, I'll just do this.
Yeah, just do
Got fruit. Oh, I'll get this for Lainey.
Now we get strawberry.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Good girl, Celine, mate.
Yum yum.
I mean, I've had some bacon.
Good girl, ate.
Your Louis donkey. You have to do this.
See ya, Melbourne.
See you, Mom.
We are checking out now. It's nearly 11 o'clock.
See you, Mommy, babe.
All right, tea. What are you doing?
What are you
Fine, 'cause the rest of
doing?
my bags are done.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
All right, let's
I
go.
want Mama to.
Mama for you.
I want Mama to do something. I want you to do.
How about this, Daddy? Are you gonna leave that?
No. Just, we'll bring it.
Anak, you know you're too heavy lang. You know you're too heavy.
We'll go to the game and then we'll come back. We got time, yeah?
What's the time?
10:49.
Okay. Yeah. Alrighty. Ling Ling, come on, sweetie. Come on, have a look at our photos here. Baba, come down. Let's go now. Ah, yeah. So they have like photo booth here. Ayan, lagay namin yung picture namin.
We're going to always remember this.
Yes. We took few photos yesterday actually, last night.
A lot.
Nakapag-check out na kami guys, but we left all the luggages sa hotel kasi may time pa naman kami. We are going to the... Where are we going, Eddie? Arcade zone, whatever it is. Yung games, kagabi pumunta kami tapos naubos yung sa card. So, ubusin namin. And then, I think 12:30, we booked a taxi to go to the airport. Are you warm lang? Ako hindi ako warm guys kasi alam niyo ba, nag-breakfast kami kanina. Hindi ako nagbihis na kasi kailangan na mag-check out. So ito na yung susuotin pa uwi.
So guys,
Sunny, beautiful day.
the very having a beautiful day, like Mom said, and we're going to the arcade. And I said it's going to be very fun. And guess what?
Can we play that thing again, Lynn? The one where Lainey got 610 tickets last night. Which one are you gonna play at?
The water.
Yeah, you're very good at that.
That's it. 'Cause last night when I played, I got
How many
more than
tickets
I
did you have?
supposed to have. I
How
got,
many tickets?
Probably 1,000.
Whoa. What was it, Daddy? Good job, Lainey! Well done, Papa! Good job! Oh, mega win! That's amazing. There. Well done, Ate!
I know some.
Naklet, Lainey!
Oh, I didn't know you were right there. I didn't know you were right there. So guys, we're gonna see Louis tomorrow and we're just driving to the airport. And we have the giant lollipop. I don't think you can see it's giant, but if we zoom you in, it's gonna be super giant. And I say we just went to the arcade. I got Alfie! Celine, Alfie's in Brisbane. Do you even remember? So I'm gonna put the Pikachu. And guys, this is a Pikachu. I got one. This little Pikachu from Louis. Another arcade with candies. Candy arcade. That's for Louis. And this is for Louis. We actually thought we should give it to Louis because we haven't seen him for 10 days and tomorrow we're going to see him on the 12th. So we're nearly at the airport. But not again. Celine, we have to go to the airport or we can't go home. But not again. Let's play, honey. we were. So you see, guys, on the at the airport.
We're inside the airport now, guys. We're just having something to eat. Yeah, I've got my fried rice, some fried chicken, and some vegetables. Ayan yung mga kids. Ayaw namang kumain. It's already 2:20 and 2:35 ang aming boarding time. Daddy just went to get some juice for himself there. Ako, kakain ako guys. Sa gutom ako.
And guys, so I'm going to make a pizza in front of you.
Yeah. Lene? Careful, Lene. Oh. We're landing now, guys. It is now 5 something in the afternoon and thank God we safely landed in Brisbane, so we're home. Lady, are you home? Wait, what are you playing? What are you playing?
Slime.
Slime? That's dope. We're just claiming our baggage, guys. Ayan. Ay, Daddy Michael there. Paris is there. Oh. So yeah, very happy guys. Very smooth ang aming flight. So there was no cancellation or mga delay, nothing like that. And we were very surprised kasi pag-alis namin ng Melbourne kayo na sobrang, you know, like blue skies, warm, and then now in Brisbane it's raining. Normally kasi it's the other way around. But anyways, it happens. Isn't that right lang? Yeah, careful. Go Lord, ganyan yung aking bagay, punong-puno guys. Oh, sus, Diyos ko Lord. May Pikachu, may pagkain pa dito. Rubbish. Mas daddy lang. Oh my Lord. Ah, guys, finally. We're home. Home, sweet home. Lily, careful, anak. You might fall, anak. Jesus. Can you just sit on this, please? Wait, Lord. Yeah?
Let's look inside the fridge.
Yes, see what you can find in the fridge, honey.
Okay.
All these bags are all dirty clothes. Kasi hindi kami ever naglaba doon for 10 days. At yung damit namin ay hindi namin binalik-balik. Everyday different damit. So kung laman ng mga damit na to, ay.
Let's just not pull everything out straight away, yeah? There we go.
Remember you said I could give my friends a present? Yeah. Oh, poopy. Can I give some of my toys away too?
No.
Why?
You're not your,
Huh?
not your old ones.
I cannot have them.
Actually, it's like you don't give away your crap, yeah? You give away something good that people want. Mummy, give us a hand.
I told your ears. Daddy, where's get candies?
Huh? No candy.
No.
No candy queen.
Our daddy's straight in the kitchen. What are we cooking tonight, Daddy?
Just a quick tuna pasta because
That's all we have.
no, I got more. It's just that these are like I don't have time to defrost.
Because the shops closes at 6 every Sunday sa Brisbane. Yeah. This is Brisbane, guys. We're back in Brisbane. Everything closes so early. Okay, yeah. Daddy Mac's just cooking whatever we have in the fridge.
Out. Great to be back. I already feel good, you know. I'm recharged, and like I'm back.
Yeah.
It's like my iPhone charges which plugs back into me.
Inunpack ko lang yung laman ng aking handbag, guys, yung aking airport bag. Kasi sobrang daming laman. Half of them ay rubbish naman. Anyways, open ko ito binigay sa akin ni Ate Wing. Thank you, Ate Wing, for this. What's this? Amy. Organic matte lip blip.
Cheers. Get me one of mine.
Alam niyo ba? Well, we were on the plane. I was doing my editing, guys, for our vlog tonight. Ayun, ay na-upload ko lang. And then, yeah, my vlog tayo tonight.
What's this shit? Orange Panthers, Broncos, I think.
Ah. Ganito. Anong kulay nito? Hello! Ate Wing knows me very well. This is my favorite color. Kagpas na, Bob. Put you here. This is brighter. Tignan nyo, ganito. Ito talaga yung favorite color. Color? Saya, eh. Color. Thank you, Ate Wing. But, dry ang aking lips today. Hindi ako makapag... ang ganda kasi matte ba? Beautiful. Naman yung mga kids na nanonood ng TV. Thank you for the holiday, Daddy.
Did you like that kiss?
Na lip test. My lipstick test. Nalibay isa day? Babe? Is it transferable?
So guys, we're having dinner now.
Eggs
I'm
on
gonna
the
show you what Daddy made.
Daddy cook eggs?
Nah, we talking about. I just cooked.
Okay, that's very nice.
Here. Pasta and some sauce with it, and it's delicious. I'm having a little bit, some of what Dad is playing on the sauce.
Okay, what's your favorite part of our holiday? Did you enjoy? Did you enjoy your holiday?
Yeah.
Which one is your favorite part? Okay, I'll cook it for you. Okay.
When we went to the zoo.
Okay.
When we went to the zoo and
Now, which one is your favorite?
museum.
My favorite part was watching Nene run away from the crocodiles. At the zoo.
Daddy, that's not something in it. I got something in it.
Did you run away from the crocodiles, Lane?
So guys, my favorite bits were going to the zoo and going to the museum.
Yeah?
That's my Daddy, I don't want that.
Yeah, I love the zoo.
What was your favorite animal, Mama? Oh, Daddy, Dad, Mommy, I can't have noodles. I can't have noodles. I will have noodles.
Huh?
I will have noodles.
No.
Yeah.
Mum will make away.
Mom, I said I like noodles.
Okay. You want noodles?
Yeah.
Okay. No, make, okay.
Or egg.
Egg or noodles?
Noodles.
Please.
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 But there's nothing in there.
How about you, Lene? What's your favorite, Lene?
What did you like it? I'm in Melbourne. Chicken.
Chicken?
Alright. I wanna,
Why would you say this way? We didn't even see a cook.
we don't have any
I see one.
sandwich bags.
That's why I want noodles.
Yeah, Mama will cook the noodles. Which ones do you want us to cook?
Do we have oil?
Mommy, which one do you want to cook, huh?
Mommy, what's the chocolate out there?
Margarine.
Mommy, that's chocolate.
No, that's not chocolate, Ate. Ate, you're doing really well with your food.
Okay. Daddy, don't cook it in there. And don't cook it. It's just so good. Daddy, quick.
Why not cook
Daddy.
lang?
Daddy,
Lynn, I'm trying to figure out what I can do with them.
Daddy,
Yes, Mama's cooking for you.
don't cook it. Don't cook it anymore. Don't cook it, okay, Dad?
Okay.
Mommy, don't cook it. Just like that. Daddy, I said like that.
Okay.
Daddy, just open it. Mommy, can you open it?
No, you're not cooking it raw, Lee. You've got to cook it.
We have
Yes. Mommy,
Mama will cook it, okay?
Mom, don't cook it.